In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect SteelSeries Arctis 9S to phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The 9X from SteelSeries is primarily designed to be used with Xbox consoles. However, you can also connect it to multiple different platforms, including any mobile device. As long as you are able to use Bluetooth to establish this connection, you will be able to listen to all of the audio being output on your mobile device through the 9X. So, to do this, if you look at your 9X, the primary way to connect it is going to be wirelessly. So the only cable that they include is this one for charging. So what you have to do is enable Bluetooth on your mobile device. So go into the settings, access Bluetooth, and then after it is enabled, you will be able to use the dedicated Bluetooth pairing mode button. So all that you have to do is press this button for around 3 seconds while the headset is on. This will put it into pairing mode. You will see some sort of flashing LED indicator telling you that it is now ready to pair. And then if you look under the list of available devices on any mobile device, smartphone that you have, you will be able to connect it from here. So the SteelSeries headphone is going to be listed and you will be able to select it from here. After it is connected, it will remain connected as long as it is sufficiently charged, and all of the audio being output on your phone will go over to the SteelSeries Arctis 9X. So this is the benefit of the 9X. It has a lot of ways to connect to different devices, including Bluetooth, which makes it extremely convenient. You will notice that it also has a 3.5mm audio jack, so if you want to and your phone has one of those ports or you want to use an adapter, you can also consider using a cable. You simply plug one end of the 3.5mm cable into the headset and then the other one goes into your phone, either through an adapter or through any other means available. As long as you are able to establish a connection with an aux cable, you will be good to go. So choose whichever option you prefer. I recommend using Bluetooth. I hope I was able to help you with how to connect SteelSeries Arctis 9X to phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.